I'm Wendy and this is my channel. I just thought I'd do a quick little video today about doing some embellishments onto some canvases that either turned out plainly or maybe you intended to do it from the beginning. So this first one I had all along intended to do something wispy and soft and then add a stencil to it of some kind, or a texture paste / stencil, and then the other ones are just after this one a couple that I just thought needed some zipping up to look a little bit better. So grab a drink and enjoy it. And this is where I was happy with it, so I put it away to dry, and I was short on a space to put it, so I put it on the floor, and then an oops happened. So yeah, stay tuned, I have to fix this one before we move on. So I hadn't realized that a cord had fallen over the painting on the floor at this point, so I wanted to use up the runoff paint that was on my surface here, so I just did a couple of small little canvases. So after I discovered the mess the cord made, I decided to run my finger through it to see if I could fix it up, and nope, didn't work. So here we go. And here it's dry, and now it's time for the stencil. I did like the composition of the first one, but it's gone, so I think what I thought was I'd do a little bit larger stencil than I had planned, just because this one didn't turn out quite as nicely as the first one before I wrecked it. And this is a little texture paste mixed with paint. I made my own sort of champagne color here, and I'm going to go mostly over everything, and then I'll come in with a secondary color, hit and miss here and there, just to give it a little depth and dimension. Moving along to a painting I'd done a bit ago. It's very neutral, and I do like it. I like the colors a lot, but I thought it could use a little zipping up. Again, using the texture paste, I had made up a couple of different colors, and I'm just going to go in certain areas with my first color and then hit some of the others with the secondary color. Now the second color was a black mixed with some of the bronze, just to tone it down a bit. I thought that might work really well, but it ended up not being dark enough, so once I took the stencil off, the metallic that I put on first ended up being quite gloppy underneath, and then I lost all definition of the darker shade I put on. So I ended up having to dry it a bit and then go back in with the black and make it a little more pronounced. All dry. I think it's pretty cute. Thanks for watching. See you next time.